We are back again with another custom boot of the week video, and this week's boot is a first of its kind to come through the factory. This week's custom boot is a Stockman barefoot boot in our fudge leather finish. There are 3 simple changes to this boot to make it a barefoot edition of our Stockman boot. These changes are seen in the toe box, the last, and the sole choice for the boot. So now let's jump into each of those 3 changes and see exactly what we've done here to give us our barefoot Stockman Chelsea boot. First of all, the last. This week's boot is constructed on our new zero drop last, rather than the JG last that is used on our stock option for this boot. The difference between these 2 lasts are that the zero drop last possesses no toe spring, is slightly more rounded over the toe, and does possess a slightly wider characteristic in the final fit. Moving on to the second spec change, and that is in the sole. Due to this boot being a barefoot option and using our zero drop last, we have gone for the anvil sole. The anvil sole, as many of you know, is a real feel sole for the terrain underfoot, feeling the bush that you're walking through. We have also done a video breaking down each of our specs of the barefoot boot. You should go ahead and pop a link in the top corner here should you wish to learn more about our new anvil sole and the specs that you can experience from having this sole on your boot. The third and final spec change to this boot, and a rather simple one, is the removal of the toe puff. The toe puff normally gives the toe box a more sturdy and supported feel, where our barefoot range makes use of an unstructured toe. Another great note to this pair is that they are double lasted, as our stock Stockman boot. So although this week's custom boot of the week is a barefoot option, this boot will still take a few more miles to soften up to have that true barefoot feel underfoot and in the flexibility of the boot. So now I'm sure you're all eager to see just how this pair is made, so without wasting any more of your time, let's head into the factory and see just how our barefoot Stockman boot is made.